Friends, today Ms Mayawati, President of Bahujan Samaj Party, announced 53 candidates list for first phase election to be held on 10th February in Uttar Pradesh. In 53 seats, 5 seats will be announced later, where in 53 seats she gave representation of 10 Brahmin candidates, 14 Muslims candidates, 18 Dalits candidates, 10 Jaat community candidate, and 2 from Gaderia OBC community. In her list, it's a big, it would be a big game changer. In Western UP, where RLD and Samajwadi parties alliance didn't give any Muslim candidate, gave only 9 candidates in her first list. Where Mayawati gave 14 candidates Muslims. And second one in Muzaffarnagar, which is a big Muslims and Jaat community area, RLD SP Alliance didn't give any, in 4 seats, they didn't give any representation to the Muslims, while Mayawati gave all 4 seats to Muslim candidates. So this time, Mayawati is running very cautious and with a steady speed, and will be a game changer, and will make BJP and RLD SP alliance a big problem for them. This time, this first phase election, it is very much clear that SP will be this will be held in 3 phases. In Western UPs, 136 seats of Western UPs, where SP and RLD alliance will fight in all 136 seats, where RLD will fight on 30 seats and remaining will be on Samajwadi Party and its other alliances. It is very much obvious from traveling to the entire Western UP that still riots of 2013 are still alive among the hearts of the people. Jaat community candidate, when you visit Jaat villages, you will find that they are not happy to cast their vote in favor of SP candidate. Still, they have annoyance towards Akhilesh Yadav, because they are still fighting their cases in courts of this 2013. And yeah, Jaat candidates, Jaat voters will cast their vote in favor of RLD's candidates, not in SP's candidate. So this RLD SP alliance will not be a much game changer, or will not much benefit. That was the reason that Mayawati is going to encash this alliance between Muslims and Jaat, so that she can win as many as seats in Western UPs, because Western UP is also Mayawati's big field. You can say big field. Mayawati belongs from this area, and still people rely on Mayawati. So by uh, media's showing that BJP and SPs are in two corner contest, but in Western UP, it seems that Mayawati will be game changer and can change any calculation or any equation from these parties have already there. So it's a big fight and will be a very good fight there in Western UP. Last time Mayawati couldn't win too much seats in Western UP, but this time it's a big chance that Mayawati can gain. So media who was underestimating Mayawati, that this is a two corner contest of Uttar Pradesh election, but as Mayawati is still alive in Uttar Pradesh politics. So this is my calculation as per list releases today on Mayawati's birthday. So if you have any query about this Western UP's election, you can send me query and I will reply them. Thank you.